video, I'll show you how to fix Peacock app not working on Smart TV. Step 1. Hard reset your Smart TV. Unplug your TV's power cable. Wait at least 60 seconds, then plug it back in and restart. Step 2. Restart your router. Power cycle your Wi-Fi router by unplugging it for 60 seconds and then reconnect. Step 3. Delete and reinstall Peacock app. Uninstall the Peacock app from your Smart TV, then download and install the latest version from the App Store. Step 4. Sign out and sign back in. Open Peacock, go to your profile, sign out, then sign back in to refresh authentication. Step 5. Update TV firmware. Check your TV system settings for software updates and install any available updates. Step 6. Factory reset your TV. If all else fails, perform a factory reset from the TV settings to restore default settings. Step 7. Check your internet connection. Ensure your internet connection is stable and meets streaming speed requirements. This is a minimum of 5 megabytes per second. Now I have some additional tips. Use a wired Ethernet connection if possible for better stability. Keep the Peacock app and TV OS updated regularly. Contact Peacock support if problems persist after troubleshooting. And that's how you troubleshoot your Peacock Smart TV not working. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments.